Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1012 in a row. Bitcoin at current price $63,161, down about 3% today, up about 3% on the week, up about 11% on the month, and up 287% over the past year. We had a big run up earlier this year and then kind of cooled off for a while, had some scary moments, but now we're back at it. So my total Bitcoin balance is $5,756. Let's go ahead and scroll down here, check out some news. SEC rejects a Bitcoin ETF. Again, I don't know why people care about those. It's a way for people on the sidelines to like bet on Bitcoin or something. It's weird. They need to just buy Bitcoin. AMC debuts online Bitcoin payments. Bitcoin due to hit 90K in coming weeks. That's just an analysis from some blog. That's not my advice or prediction or anything, although I do believe Bitcoin will finish the year strongly. So there's that. Bitcoin owned 0.09111,593. Slowly working our way to 0.1 Bitcoin here. You can see I'm buying $1 every single day. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased $1 more of Bitcoin. Tap done and we can scroll down here. We'll check my new balance, 0.09113,127, slowly adding to our balance there. Let's go ahead and do the math on all of this. $5,763 is my balance. 5763 divided by 1,012 days equals a 5.69x on my investment. Doing very well. What that means, every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I'll have $5.69. So let's go ahead and hop into some other news. Here are some of the other videos that I'm uploading. Lots of great Cash App stuff this week. And if you didn't know, Cash App is doing 99% off sales every single day this week. I actually got Crocs for 99% off. So you can follow them on Twitter, turn on notifications. We'll check that out in a sec. But all you need to do is go to your Cash Card, tap Add Boost when they announce it, and then pick the boost here. It should show up with 99% off, and then just purchase the item with your card through their website. So you can see I did that with Crocs, got 99% off boost applied. If we take a look at Cash App's Twitter, we can see that they also did PacSun. It looks like that one ended very quickly. They're giving hints as well. They did Crunchyroll store, which I believe is like an anime type clothing. I tried to get in on that but didn't make it in time. They did Ulta Beauty, and then here was the Crocs one. So yeah, I imagine they might do another one today. I haven't seen the hint for today though yet, but keep an eye out for that. Definitely be ready, have the money in your Cash App and stuff, and you might be able to get a nice 99% off discount somewhere. Gotta love it. But there you have it. That'll do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.